Hello, and welcome back to episode 4 of Learn English with Minecraft Hardcore. My name is Kenzo, and this is English from the ground up. The first thing that I'm going to do in this video is build a spyglass. We're going to need 2 copper and 1 amethyst shard. Let's build a spyglass. S-P-Y-G-L-A-S-S, a spyglass. All right, let's go outside. Let's get out the spyglass. Look at this. There's a village over there. I found a village. Let's go explore that village. But that village is pretty far away, so first I'm going to build a boat. Let's get some wood. We have 9 jungle logs. Let's build some planks. Planks. And with these planks, let's build a boat. All right, I have my boat. Let's go explore that village. Let's place the boat in the water, and let's get in the boat. Now, let's sail towards the village. Whoa, look at all that kelp. There's a ton of kelp down there. Oh, look. Let's zoom in using the spyglass. There are some pumpkins over there. We can go collect some pumpkins. I'm going to get out of the boat and quickly collect some pumpkins. Now we're really close to the village. I'm going to place my boat. Right here. And I'm going to place a torch on this tree. That way, I'll remember that my boat is this way. Ooh, there's some wheat. There's some wheat that's growing over here. I'm going to collect some wheat. There's more wheat over here. And I think these are melons. Let's collect this wheat. There's a lot of wheat in this village. Okay, the sun's going down, so I'm going to look for a bed. Is there a bed in this house? Yes. Get out of the bed, villager. No. Okay, I'm sleeping in the bed. It's morning. Over here, there are some beetroots. Let's collect some beetroots. Let's go inside this house. There's a chest. Let's open the chest. Some paper and some saplings. This is the worst chest ever. Ooh, there are some hay bales over here. Let's pick up these hay bales. Over here, there's an iron golem. This is an iron golem. The iron golem protects the village. Oh, and over here, there are some potatoes that are growing. Let's collect some of these potatoes. By the way, if you're enjoying these videos, and if you'd like to practice speaking English with me and other learners, you should join the English from the Ground Up Discord server. You can join for free by clicking up here. Wow! And over here, there are carrots. In this village, they're growing carrots, wheat, potatoes, melons, and beetroots. Let's go inside this house. Anything in here? Oh. There's a hole in the floor of this house. Why is there a hole in the floor here? There's a chest. Let's open the chest. Some bread. Some paper. Ooh, and there are 2 maps. 2 unknown maps. Let's look at this map. Oh, it's a map of the village. It's a map of the village. And let's take some of these carrots. So many carrots. Let's go inside this house. There's a chest. Some bread, some grass, some seeds, and a saddle. I'm going to pick up this saddle. Anything in here? Ooh, some bookshelves. I'm going to steal these bookshelves. These books are going to be very helpful when I'm building the enchanting table. I think I've explored pretty much all of this village. Whoa, let's get the spyglass. There's another village over there. It's nighttime. I'm going to find a bed. Is there a bed in this house? There is. Okay, I'm sleeping. And it's morning. All right, today let's go over to this second village. Aha, there's the torch that I placed earlier, which means my boat is this way. There's my boat. Let's get in the boat. Let's sail to the second village. All right, I'm going to leave my boat here, and let's go find the other village. Once again, I'm going to place a torch on this tree, so I remember my boat is this way. Whoa, there's a broken nether portal over here. There are some magma blocks. Is there a chest? Yes, there's a chest. Let's open the chest. Ooh, there's an enchanted golden helmet. I'll take this. And I'm also going to pick up this obsidian. I'm going to need some obsidian to build an enchanting table. Obsidian takes a long time to mine. Let's see, I got 9 obsidian. Okay, now let's go to the village. And here we are at the second village. But I'm going to wait and explore this village in the next episode. Like and subscribe, and if you'd like to help support this channel, you could make a donation by clicking up here. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. See ya.
I am low till I feel just right. Wow, is this the best